These are so easy to make that I can guarantee you, once you've tried it, you will always be making this, and it will become a favorite in your household. To make the dumplings, you will need 1.5 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 150 ml of water. Now the water needs to be 50 ml of boiling water and 100 ml of cold water. The first thing you will need to do is add all the dry ingredients into a bowl. Give this a quick mix, making sure that all the ingredients have been properly incorporated. Next, you will add in the 150 ml of water and make sure that the dough is nice and soft and pliable. This is eventually what the dough will look like. Divide this into 8 equal portions, cover and leave to rise for about 30 minutes. Make sure they are all the same size, as this will ensure better steaming when added to the pot. Now we will move on to making our lamb stew. Now don't be discouraged by the amount of ingredients that you require for this. There are 4 parts to this part of the recipe. The first part is your olive oil, onion, cinnamon sticks and cumin seeds. The second part is your leg of lamb, your salt, ginger, garlic and boiling water. The third part is your carrots, green beans and all the spices that you're going to add together. And the fourth part is the mushrooms with the yogurt and tomato puree. Optional extras that you could use in this recipe are your green peas, beans, cabbage. These are not a favorite in my household, so I've left them out. The first thing we are going to do is braise the onions in olive oil with the cinnamon sticks and cumin seeds until the onions have slightly browned. Then we are going to add in the leg of lamb, ginger, garlic, salt and half a cup of boiling water. Leave this to simmer until the meat has softened. Now we are going to add the spices to our carrot and green beans. Now add in your 250 grams of mushrooms, your yogurt and your tomato puree. This is going to be added last. Add the carrot and green beans mixture to the pot once the meat has softened. Give it a quick toss and leave for about 15 minutes. Then add in your mushroom mix and leave for another 5 minutes. Add in 1 cup of water and make sure that all the ingredients are mixed together properly. Once all the ingredients have been properly mixed, add in the dumplings, making sure that they are evenly spaced from one another, as these will double in size. Now let's see the result of my amazing recipe. Wow! Look at these! How delicious does this look? Are you hungry already? Enjoy making this recipe yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.